Hello Disney family, and welcome back to my channel. I'm very stoked about today's video because it was in collaboration with 10 other YouTube channels. I will link them down below, but we basically decided to send another person a blind box, and it was actually created by the Disney Damsels. If you don't know who the Damsels are, they are wonderful dear friends of mine that I have known since I actually began my YouTube channel. And actually Rowan was the one who did and arranged this entire thing, which was so sweet and wonderful for her to arrange this for all of us to do. And basically she sent out a questionnaire asking us our favorite Disney things, our favorite characters, rides, what we most like to collect, all of those kinds of things. And each respective person got the questionnaire for their person, and they got to put together a little goodie box for that person. And now I am going to be opening mine for you. The wonderful thing about the person that I got was that we recently had started talking on Instagram. Then I got her name, and it was so wonderful. And she happens to share my love of fall and Halloween and all things Disney. And I got to meet her. It was like serendipitous. I had gotten her name. I was so excited. I was already looking all over for stuff. I'm sorry if you guys can hear my dog. I don't know what to do with him. We happened to have the same dinner reservation at the Grand Californian, and I was meeting a friend there, and she happened to be there. We literally ran into each other at the Grand Californian in the buffet line. And I was like, oh my gosh, Lindsay. And she was like, Allison. It was very bizarre, but so wonderful. So I got ears to Mickey. And her name is Lindsay. If you haven't checked her out, she's amazing. She will also be linked down below. And so now, without further ado, let's open my blind box. I already ripped open the tape so that I wouldn't have to struggle with that on camera, which I tend to do all the time because I never remember scissors. So hopefully she hasn't packed it too tightly. So let's get started. Okay, so here is my box, and it's got all these cute little Disney characters. I see Pumbaa and Simba and Snow White and a little rabbit and Rapunzel. And actually my box came from Canada. Canada! Like, girl, thank you for shipping from Canada. And I'm very excited because I happen to know that the only person who was a part of this in Canada was Twinkle Bell Taryn. So she has left this sweet little note. Oh, and she's got, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so it's got like little glitter in here. So it says, Dear Allison, yay, I got you. I'm so happy that Rowan asked me to do this super fun gift exchange because it led me to you and your channel. I have fallen in love with your channel. You are so fun and full of personality. I adore it. Also, your opening screen of your videos, honestly in love with it. It's beyond cute. You have such a beautiful family. Thank you for sharing yourselves with us. I love watching a loving family enjoying life. It honestly makes me so happy. Your package was fun to make. I hope you love it. I tried my best to include as many things as you liked and be creative. Heads up, it's a pull lid, not a twist, okay? I am Canadian, so I threw in a few goodies from Canada, just something fun. I hope you or your girls like them. It's been so great watching you the past few months, and I look forward to seeing more amazing content from you in the future. I also hope we can meet up one day. I think our girls would have so much fun together. I agree. Have a magical day, your Disney friend, Taryn. Oh my gosh, she is so sweet. And then it's got some of my faves. It's got Tinkerbell. It's got Tinkerbell and, oh, and Belle is my fave. Tinkerbell. You girls know. All right, let's get started. It's got this pretty gold paper. Oh my gosh. All these sparkles. Oh, she's like amazing. Okay, here's our first thing. Oh, she's so cute. She did such a good job packaging this stuff. Oh my gosh, my daughter, these are called Ooshis. I've never even heard of these. Oh, this is gonna be fun. My daughter is going to really enjoy unboxing these. You must have thought of her. There's no way you didn't, because you must have seen it. Oh my gosh, you're so sweet. I love this. Oh, this is cool. I don't know that we have these Ooshis in America. I've never seen them. Ugh, that's exciting. Oh my Lanta. It's my girl Belle! Yes, it's a Belle pillow. It's perfect. My daughter is going to try and steal this and I am not going to let her. It's the emoji Belle. All right. Oh, look at this. You're so stinking sweet. I'm like, wow. This is like very exciting. What's that? Oh, that smells really good. It's a Tinkerbell fragrance ornament. I think it's for my car. There we go. Can you guys see it? Oh, that smells really good too. Yay, thank you. Oh my gosh, there's so many different colorful kinds of paper. I feel like she got my personality 100%. It's got pink and sparkles and everything. Okay, where are we gonna, oh, we're gonna go here, we're gonna go here. Ooh, this is exciting. It's a brick head. Oh, Belle. This can go in my little trinkets. You guys know how much I love my trinkets. This is so perfect. Thank you. And I love Legos. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I seriously love Legos. Like, I cannot wait till my daughter's a little bit older and I can do Legos with her because I love building things. It's so much fun. IKEA furniture, it's my jam. Wow, thank you. Oh my gosh, I get it. Look at it. It's got the little rose and it's like a little backpack. This is so cute. And it feels like there's, oh my gosh, you are so cute. Look at all this. It's got all these little, look at this pin, you guys. Samir and Cogsworth. Look, it says BFF. Look at how cute they are. Look, oh, she got another one. Oh, look, it's the Belle nesting doll. Look. Oh my gosh, you're so sweet. Freaking love you. Ooh, it's a skull. I don't know what this is. It's wait, no, it's Tinkerbell. That's not true. This is Peter Pan, right? I think this is Peter Pan. Yes. It's like real heavy. That's like heavy duty. Girl. It's got all these little, this is so cute. Oh, there's one more, there's one more. Oh, it's got Ariel. Ariel and Flounder, look. Look, thank you. You are so sweet. Ugh. Okay, here we go again. It's Alice in Wonderland coffee mug. It's a, oh, this is where she said it's a pull, not a twist. There we go. Oh, look at this coffee mug. It's got, oh my gosh. Okay, so it's got like Alice and the Queen of Hearts and the Cheshire Cat and the White Rabbit and the cards. Oh my gosh, look. How cute is this? Look at it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So I think we are in. I'm gonna put this down because I am actually super short, so it's very hard for me. Oh wow. She got, this is a Tokyo Disney Resort. It says Disney's Easter 2018. Okay, this is really cool, this bag. And that means she's been paying attention and she knows that I really want to go to Tokyo Disney. Oh my gosh, look at these little party glasses. See, now I gotta wear this around the world. I'm gonna bring these and I'm gonna wear them at Epcot in Canada. That's what I'm gonna do. Little Canadian pins. You know, do you know that I love the Dollar Tree? And I watched this one Like I watch Dollar Tree YouTubers and I've heard of Dollarama and I've wanted to go there because I watch one girl who goes there all the time. Look at these pens. Yes! Okay, number one, I've had this. It's amazing. The Score candy. I love this. I probably didn't say that right. Okay. Coffee Crisp. Okay, I'm very excited because you know we don't have this candy. And Big Turk. It's a Turkish delight. I can't wait. So, Turkish delight. Ready? I'm about to go off on a tangent. Turkish Delight is a candy that they eat in The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. And I played Lucy in the stage version. If you guys didn't know, in my past life I was an actor, but I played Lucy in the stage version when I was in like 4th grade. And we ate Turkish Delights, but we didn't actually get to eat them, so I've never had a Turkish Delight. I can't wait to eat this. Wow, that was so much fun. I'm so glad I participated in this. Again, if you would like to see the other channels that have participated, I will be linking them below in my description box. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I really am loving doing these collaborations with other YouTubers. I think it gives you guys an opportunity to find other people, and it gives other people an opportunity to find me. If you've not already joined my Disney family, go ahead and hit that little red subscribe button. I would love to see you back here. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon. Bye.